Okay guys, good day. So today I'll be teaching you on how to design an advert flyer. So first of all, you click on the Canva, quickly move over to Canva. So one beautiful thing about Canva is that you make your design, the designs are already there. All you have to do is just to replace it and put your own text, images and the rest of them. Okay, you can see so many designs are there in the home, depending on what you want to use it for. Okay, so now there are so many designs in Canva to make, already made designs, just to edit it and put your own. But now what we do now, we want advert flyer, so we click on the plus sign here so that we quickly go to advert. We search on advert flyer, advert flyer. We search on advert flyer. Okay, we click on advertisement flyer. Okay, so wait patiently for it to open up. So one beautiful thing about Canva is that, so what will happen now is we are going to be editing the advert flyer instead of starting from the scratch like Pixel Lab and other apps that you can use to start from the scratch. Okay, now we're going to be seeing so many flyers that are already made. Just input your own things in it and you've made your own flyers. Okay, so just wait patiently and I'll be showing us a very important thing about flyer. See, very beautiful flyers here, but you know one thing, all of these flyers here are free, but there are some that you have to pay for. So the important thing here is that all of these are free, but you see all these ones that have crown on their head, that's pro. You pay to use them. Okay, so quickly let's just choose one design and edit it. Okay, all right, let's go for this one here. Energy drink. All right, now it has energy drink, stamina booster drink, discount 40% off, order now. So what we are going to do now is you tap on the one you want to edit, like 40% discount. Let's make it 50% discount. Then you tap on the edit button here. 40% discount. Now we make it 50% discount. 50% off. See, we've inputted our own. Good. All right, and again, now if you want to change the energy drink, you can change it and put in your own. Then the can here, that's the image of the drink. You can also change it and input your own. Just very simple. Change and put your own. Off we go. All right, that's one very beautiful thing about Canva. You can also input your own writings. You could say it is good for health. All right, so drink and boost your immune system. Just type it like that. Okay, but we were just going to be leaving it like this. Only what we want to do is discount 50% off. Okay, 50% off. So now we are done. You want to change the color, you go to the color option and then change the color. So that's just very simple. Okay, so what you do now is you go to the download option to download, because we are already done. You tap on it and then you download it. Once you have downloaded it, it immediately goes to your gallery. Goes down to you download also. go to your download draft, download a draft. Wonderful. You start downloading. Once it downloads immediately, it goes directly to your gallery. So once you go to the gallery, you will see that immediately. Just very simple like that. All right, guys, I hope and I know you got value for your time for just listening to this short video about advert flyer on Canva. It's already saved to gallery. You can see that saved to gallery. Good. Okay, so thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded. Okay, thanks for your support. Thanks. Bye.